guys, welcome to the vlog today. Purple sunglasses are where it's at. We had a little idea. We're gonna do a little experiment. We were doing some grinding on the spindles, and we figured we would take a little break from that. We want to see how strong solder is. So we're gonna take this little extension cord. We're gonna cut both ends off. We're gonna solder it together into a loop, and then we're gonna see if we can pull Chief's truck with my truck. So, what's your bet? Put it in the comments. What's your bet? Do you think the cord's gonna break, or where we solder it is gonna break? So, let's go cut this up, solder it up, and
we'll see you out there.
Yep.
Side joke. And delete. Delete.
Bradley's been deleted.
And delete.
Solder this together. Yes, I have. Okay, so this is very unconventional, and this is not how you're supposed to do it. I'm gonna try soldering all of them together, and we're gonna see what happens first. But if that doesn't do it, then we're gonna try doing all of them separately. But yeah, so. They're just sitting in the hot tub while we're doing dumb stuff with their trucks. It worked so far! Hey, how far did it move? Okay, so far it's holding!
How many were we supposed to do? We found them.
One.
Hey.
All right, so far, this thing is in perfect condition. So it's holding. So now I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas. Yeah. Okay, so we broke it, but it only broke when Bradley hit the brakes, but when I gave it gas, it actually helped, so that's pretty good. But we're gonna go and take it apart now and see if it actually broke where the solder is or if it broke where the wire is, so. All right, so I'm actually pretty impressed with how well that worked. Even under a little bit of load, it held up pretty good until Bradley slammed on the brakes.
Didn't want to back into his truck.
Yeah, so understandably, slamming the brakes makes a lot of sense. But yeah, so it's busted, and it is busted kind of where the solder is, but we're gonna open it up now and we're gonna see what it looks like and see if it's actually the solder that broke or if it's just the wire itself. I also did not do a really good job soldering it because I suck at soldering, but yeah, let's see what it looks like.
Yep.
No way. Dude, that's awesome. All right, so if we look, I mean, I looked at the tape, but right before we cut it up, we looked at the tape, and the tape right where the solder was, or close to at least, there was like a mark where the ball was actually hitting. And now that we look at this, make sure you can see it in the camera here, right there. It actually, like the solder itself is completely intact. None of the wire actually where the solder is snapped. It all snapped beside the solder. So the solder, even with my really bad soldering job, the solder is stronger than what the wire is.
Yep.
So that's proof right there. Even if you do like a really gross solder job, as long as it actually melts through the wire, it's gonna be strong. And I mean, I do get it too that this is 3 separate wires here, but still, that's pretty good though that it snapped here and it wasn't solder that let go. That's impressive.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say that this was actually a pretty successful test.
Yep.
Right on. All right, thanks guys for watching this video. We actually had a lot of fun doing this one. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Doing these little experiments is kind of fun. If you have any other little experiments that you want us to try, let us know. We can see what we can do, and we'll kind of prove some things and see, you know, if whatever you come up with, if it works or doesn't work. But again, like I said, this is a successful test. Solder is stronger than the wire itself. Again, I know that we did 3 together here, but it was stronger. So let us know what you want us to do next, and we'll do some tests. So, like always,
Like and subscribe.
live to race, guys. Peace. Oh, wow.